Hi viewers, ramblers, and welcome back to Ramble with Rub on a Sunday morning. Down here on the canal, in between Furnace Vale and just outside New Mills, in the High Peak. Here at the Tors Riverside Park, goyt Meadows Local Nature Reserve. Oh, let's have a butcher's in here. What's this here? You are welcome to use the paths through the nature reserve when open. Dogs on leads only, please. New Mills Town Council. Thank you, New Mills Town Council. There's one about livestock. Keep your dog on a lead. Be livestock a bit. It's just little things. Out goyt Meadows. The local nature reserve was opened in 2004. It is owned and run to an ecology management plan by New Mills Town Council. So there we go. Pause that, viewers, and zoom in if you want. Come on down because the price is right. We've got another little gate style go through. Morning. Either go down that way, take you another way down in, but we'll go this way, I think. See the viaduct there in the background. It's the New Mills Central for the Trans-Pennine. They've got 2 train stations in New Mills. There we are. Help if I turn gimbal on, I think. Thought there was something not right. Do apologise for that. See, nice meadow, nice bit of woodland. Wasn't going to film this one, I just saw it. I was going to go further in and go down to the Tors. But well, why not when you've got this? Can't remember how long this is. I have walked it, but it's got to be over 10 years ago. If not more, 15. There's a mark if I don't get lost. I'm following the path. Here, ramblers. Pasture path. We're going the right way, I think. Seems as though there's loads of little paths there. I think it's this way, ramblers. Oh, sun was out. Breaking out between the clouds. It was supposed to rain today, but sometime this morning, it's held out. It's a nice walk just to get here, down the canal. Took me about, I don't know, half hour walk here. See, and even walking this way, we're not far from the canal. The canal's only over the other side of there. And it's just there, so it's not too far off. Let's crack on. It's enough of the yakking. we're going. Which way are we going? Well, due to them on my feet, we're taking the high route, viewers, not the cow route. Oh, nasty pasty. Perhaps. oh, I'm okay. I've got over. Perhaps I should have stayed on the canal. So. One thing you can't say, viewers, I'll not give you somewhere new. See some houses there in the background. We must be coming close to the end of it. There's viaduct again there in the background. Stunning views here, ramblers. So this is accessible. Say New Mills has got 2 train stations, the Trans-Pennine, which is New Mills Central, and the normal line, the Manchester line, which runs from Manchester to Buxton. And that stops off at New Mills Newtown and Furnace Vale. You can hop on. Canal's right next, literally, to the stations, especially with Furnace and Whaley Bridge. So either way, if you're coming from Sheffield way or Manchester way, you're on the train, you want somewhere, you're having a day out, you want somewhere to stop for a couple of hours, maybe before you get Buxton. Why not try? A little ramble, a little walk around New Mills, along the canal. Hey, this is just a small one, this. There's one down near the Tors, which I think you can actually get, I think, from that way down there. I do think, but I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to take you here to see what this says. I think I'm going to join the canal back. Yeah. And that's just the same as the first one that we saw. And we can either get back on the canal or down that way. I think that does look, I can see in the back far over there there's some people, but we'll wrap this up. So there we are, ramblers. That's a quick ramble through the Tors Riverside Park, Goyt Meadows Local Nature Reserve. Thank you, New Mills Town Council. And from Rub, don't forget, hit the likes, hit the subscribe, it doesn't cost you a penny, it's absolutely free. Hit the notifications, ring that little bell to keep you everything up to date in the world of Ramble with Rub, viewers. Take care, next time, Rub out.